People love to say black families depend on government assistance instead of working hard. But let's talk about the truth behind the stereotype for a second. That statement ignores history, decades of systemic barriers that limited access to fair jobs, housing, and education. It ignores black fathers and mothers working 2 or 3 jobs just to provide stability for their kids. It ignores that most black families on assistance are also unemployed, using help as a bridge, not a lifestyle. It's not laziness, it's resilience. It's generations doing what they must do to keep going when the system wasn't built for them. Black families don't depend on handouts. They depend on hope, hard work, and faith. And the real story? They've been building, teaching, and rising in strength long before anyone gives them credit. Let's stop repeating stereotypes and start celebrating the truth.